As Doc Holliday, we have Cardi. The Tower Knight Clanton is played by Preacher Malone. Billy Clanton is going to be played if we get a good response. How's that? If we get a good response, we'll do it a second time. And if we do it a second time, we're going to have somebody else play this part. So there's going to be two people. Billy Clanton will be played by Armageddon and Rusty Bronco. Frank McClary, partner. Tom McClary, Justice James Newton. Billy Claiborne, Billy Tunai. Fleeing Cowboy, Mean Dean. Sheriff Behan, historian, and Senior Deputy U.S. Marshal Charles Holmes, retired. We're also going to have some town folks. And on the town folks, we've got Partners. Little Red Malone, Fillmore, Smiling Bee, Hoosier Honey, Kelly Joe, Adrian Clark. Everybody's going to take their places and we're going to make this thing happen, folks.